Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another Yeastar Tech Talk. Good to be here. And today we're going to talk about one of our new features with this new firmware on your PC or system. So let's talk about this new feature. Let's talk about this one, which is going to be multi-time zone. I guess this feature it has been required for a really long time. Good news, you're going to have it. This feature, we can use it for so many different scenarios. For example, if you have a company with different agents, with different employees, and they're working in different time zones. There you go. That's what you're going to need there. And also we can use this feature for some particular scenarios. Like some companies, they have a headquarter in this city. They have another branch office, maybe in another country or another region. Anyway, that can also be a perfect example. Talking about this, well, I prepared an example and I just want to show you guys. Please take a look. Hey, how's it going? Jason's here. How can I help? 喂，你好，这里是 Yeastar， 请问有什么可以帮助您的 Alright, good to be back. Let's keep going. Now let's talk about the configuration. So if you guys want to use this feature, step 1, pretty simple. Log into the system as the super admin, and then you're going to go click on Call Control. Here we have business hours and holidays. Check on this. And that's exactly what it is, guys. It looks different, right? So this time you will have this part of the new panel for your configuration. So you can simply check on Add here to add a new time zone. But of course, you can keep the default time zone as what it is, right? I can keep the default time zone here, but I can also add some other time zones. Maximally, you guys can add 24 time zones here. That's a lot. Absolutely. And except for that, if I set up different time zones here, of course, we can set up our business hours and our holidays for sure, because you got different time conditions. You can put all these time conditions under different time zones. And after all this, next step, we can check on inbound route. When someone is calling us, we can set up this multi-time zone for this particular inbound route. And also we can use this feature for our outbound route for sure. When you try to make an external call, you can also apply the particular time zone. Besides, we can also use the multi-time zone feature for some other destinations like the IVR and ring group. And also, if you prefer, you can use this for your call queue as well. Oh, and also I got the tips, guys. This feature can also be applied for our extensions for sure, but just be careful. When you use the multi-time zone feature for your extension, this feature will only affect the extension's presence auto switch. So I give you guys an example. If I set up the time zone for one of my extensions, we got an inbound call from one of our contacts. It won't be affected. It will still go through our inbound route. All right. So if you enable the multi-time zone for the extension, the only thing it will affect there will just be the time conditional auto switch. And that's exactly what it is. And another thing you guys need to be a little bit careful is, as I mentioned, we can also enable a multi-time zone or time conditions anyway for your inbound route and also the call queue. So here's the deal, guys. If you set up the time zone for your inbound route and also you enable the time zone for one of your queues, and now you put this queue as the inbound call destination, well, just be careful because we set up the time zone for both the inbound route and also the queue. They're going to work together. So that basically means these two settings will affect your configurations altogether. That's exactly what it is. So you just need to be a little bit careful when you set up the whole thing. All right. Well, generally speaking, that was all we had with this new feature, multi-time zone. Don't forget to give it a try. All right. Please get your system upgraded. Try this one. All right. And of course, as usual, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more details. I'll catch you guys in the next one.